The Hindu newspaper analysis, September 15, 2025. हेलो एवरीबॉडी। तो हम आज करंट अफेयर न्यूज़पेपर को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, जिसमें आपके काफ़ी सारे आर्टिकल्स होंगे। तो रीड करो मेरे साथ। लेट्स स्टार्ट। PM alleges plot to change mix of border population. In Assam, he says the conspiracy is a grave threat to national security, necessitating a demography mission across the country. He says the Congress has been shielding and protecting infiltrate, infiltrators. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप इमेज को देखिए एक बार, इसको क्या करो, सरवाइव करो एक तरीके से। मतलब इमेज में ही चले जाओ, सरवाइव करो इमेज को कि क्या कहना चाहती है इमेज, फिर आप उससे कनेक्ट करोगे। ठीक है। तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी एंड आसाम चीफ मिनिस्टर हेमंता बिस्वा शर्मा इन दरंग Assam on Sunday. Center response PLI scheme for white goods till October 14 cites market growth. Mysterious malady strikes village in Andhra Pradesh. Turka-Pellam, a village in the state's Guntur district, reported 29 deaths in 5 months, prom- prompting the government to declare a health emergency and send teams to collect blood samples of all the residents. Sambasve Rao M visits the village and finds people desperate for answer. AAP Farmers legal team for release of its Doda MLA held under PSA. 2 months on, Congress questions success of Dhami government's drive against fake spiritual gurus. Maratha Kota, GR, OBC, Adivasi Banjara outfits to hold protest, celebrating the quit. Dreamers who drive powerful change. No competition between Hindi and other Indian languages. Amit Shah. On Hindi Divas, Home Minister urges people to respect all Indian language. He asks EMS to send him letter in respective languages assures them that responses would be sent in same language. Race against time, Punjab goes all out to check disease spread. UPPL BJP promise lasting peace in BTC election manifesto. Tejasvi highlight poor state of Bihar hospital on eve of PM visit. White Coast walk out in protest. For nearly a month, Chhattisgarh health workers have been on strike demanding permanent employment and better working conditions. This has burdened the already strained healthcare system in the state. AP is on the high road to development under NDA NADA. No water disputes with TN this year, says Karnataka CM. The state has received good rainfall over the past 2 years and all reservoirs are full, says Siddhara Malla. Questioning TN's stance on Mekedattu Dam. He says it will benefit both states. Heavy rainfall alert in 9 Telangana district. Woman drowns, 2 missing in AP floods. Educations Plus degrees without borders. What do SC guidelines say on DNA? Why did the Supreme Court intervene in DNA samples in criminal cases? What lapses did the court uncover? What has the court said about DNA reliability in past ruling? What do the new guidelines mandate in DNA alone enough to convict? How serious in the global plastic pollution crisis? What role should government and individual play in curbing plastic use? In Apple's A19 Pro chip, a game changer for on-device AI performance with neural accelerators embedded right into GPU cores. Apple's A19 Pro integrates AI operations directly where graphics are being processed. This enables real-time AI effects, high efficiency and smooth performance for gaming, AR, computational photograph, and local large language models. A quiz to celebrate the Queen of Crime, Agatha Christie's 135th birthday. Free movement of all vehicles on NH2 in Manipur yet to resume. The highway is key to delivery essential supplies to the Imphal Valley. It is also the road to the airport in Imphal, which the Kuki Zoo people have not been able to access since ethnic violence broke out in the northeastern state over 2 years ago. Earthquake of 5 point magnitude hits Bengal northeast. Heavy rain, mudslides disrupt NH29 in Nagaland. Led using flood relief fund to rebuild headquarters hit by Indian airstrike. India brags about having 1.4 billion people but won't buy one bushels of US corn. Great Nicobar project pushed despite legal hurdles. Congress House panel says government must explore feasibility of licensing requirements for AI content creator. Ahead of polls, AIMIM knocks on the door of a reluctant Indian. Move to prevent divisions of secular votes, says state president party eyeing Simhanchal region. However, RJD and Congress reluctant, reluctant if AIMIM retains seats as part of the bloc. How will we claim to be lone messiah, messiah of Muslims? Asked senior RJD leader. Sena UBT protest over India-Pak Asia Cup cricket match. Owaisi flies BJP for letting India-Pakistan cricket match. Amit Kher appointed secretary to vice president. Minority BJP government at center won't survive for long stalling. 99% of goods in 12% GST bracket now under 5% bracket. Siddha Raman. Women's reservation law will grant them rightful place in governance. LS Speaker. PM inaugurates India's first bamboo-based ethanol plant. Golaghat facility built as world first green bamboo bioethanol plant. 7,230 crore. Polypropylene project also initiated at Numaligarh refinery. The facility aims to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Beggars' homes are treated worse than prisons, says SC. India must invest more in accelerating diversifications of food production. FAO chief economist Maximo Kulan. Okay, should you be a loan grantor? Stop playing more for being a woman. Avoid pink tax. Don't let pink tax pinch your pocket. Outsmart the gender based price discrimination with smart shopping habits. Compare the prices wisely and pocket the saving. Dynamic or standard SIP. Okay. Brussels, Nigeria, London, Islamabad. Pictures are massive. Floods. Kharkiv vows to flow. Zanze demand to end corruption. A fifth of people in Nepal, as it 1524 are unemployed, according to the World Bank, with GDP per capita standing at just 1,447. Deadly unrest left at least 72 people killed and over 2,100 injured. Ukraine launches drones at major Russian refinery. Palestinians flee Gaza City as Israel issues evacuations, evacuations warning. Russia flexes military muscle with hypersonic missiles and bombers. US an extraordinary friend of Israel, says PM during review visit. Satvik Chirag Lakshya finished runner-up. Chetri back in the fold. Corte Medara 4S Malakonda Reddy Memorial Cup. Star of Night Triumphs. S. Sabrizi Jitender speak top move bonus even. Kuldeep Axar have Pakistan in a bind. The former was in his element again with a spell of 4-0 while the latter strike twice. Bumrah chips in with two Afridi produce a cameo. Australia's World Cup trip of two perfect start. China bulldoze. India secures a spot in World Cup. Liverpool foofs and poofs to beat Burnley. Aman four fights match at World faces action. Okay. Civil Jefferson Wooden plays to 100-meter glory. Alman finally wins the title in women's discus. Gracier and Jepchirchir also emerge champions. Kusher qualifies for men's high jump final. Ankit and Andres Regard delays Central's victory charge. Saurav Ganguly set to return as CAP president. Swiss captain hails Indian players' performances. Thank you guys. मन्ना ज़रूर तुझा ट्रम्प. थैंक यू गाइस. इसी के साथ हम वीडियो को एंड करते हैं.